You don't have the first clue about what's going on here.
Hmm.
Not the first clue. You don't have the first clue about what is going on here. The entire goal that you have today is to get that out of jail as quickly as possible.
No, Your Honor.
Yeah. Well, then tell me what.
I'm here
I know. Why?
because I was on
How long you been on?
for 10 years.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Just took control of my life.
Why? Well, why didn't you stop doing the drugs? Because now you seem convinced that you can go and get a little bit of treatment, go on about your life, and you'll be okay after 10 years of not being okay. So how does that work?
I was going to try outpatient,
You were going to try out where?
Signature Health.
What's that like?
I have no clue. I never tried it.
Right. Why were you? Why did you test positive the day after you were here pleading guilty?
Outside.
So you can't. You don't have any control over this, is what you're telling me.
Before I didn't, but I think I can now.
Why?
Because
What makes you think you can't?
I've been sitting here for, what,
56 days.
56 days.
Okay.
And I don't know, every day I woke up like I needed something to take, and I just feel better. You know, I don't need anything to take anymore.
Why did you tell the evaluator, what kind of treatment can you get me so I don't have to do time? Why did you say that?
Did I say that?
Huh? Yeah, you said that. It's in quotes from the evaluator.
Because I was nervous I was going to get time.
And then you
Looking up
said,
for
and then you
24
said, here's the alarming thing. This is what really is alarming to me. And this is in quotes. Okay, you stated to the evaluator. I don't even know why I was arrested because I hardly had any drugs on me. I had 4 pills and a little Coke. I'm sure I'll get probation because I don't have a bad record.
When did I say that?
Huh?
I don't remember saying that.
You don't remember saying it. Do you think that Miss Friend just makes this shit up as she goes along?
No.
What 4 little pills did you have?
Perks
Where'd you get those?
from someone I know.
Who? Who?
Some dude from Cleveland
Who?
named Mills.
Huh?
Mills?
Mills.
Yeah.
You making names up now?
No, I don't know his full name.
No. Nobody knows anybody's name. Where in Cleveland?
101?
Huh?
101?
101. What's 101?
St. Clair?
101st and St. Clair? Where on 101st and St. Clair? On the corner? At the stop sign or at the traffic, the crosswalk? What?
Down the street?
Down the street. How did you know to meet Mills at 101st and St. Clair?
Because I got his number from other people,
Who?
my friends.
Who? You keep shaking your head. Why are you shaking your head?
Mm-hmm.
You see, your interest is you're so screwed up, okay, that your interest sitting here right now is not to be honest with me. It's to protect your stupid friends, okay, that feed you drugs and get you in trouble. Here's what I'm going to suggest, okay? I'm going to suggest that when I leave, I'm going to leave, and you can talk to Mr. Mulkey, okay? And I'll be back, and we'll continue to have a conversation, and you can either wise up or just sit there and shake your head, okay? Now, if you want to do that, go ahead and do that, okay? But, man, your attitude right now sucks, and you're going to find yourself laying in a casket with your father looking down on you because you don't really give a shit about anything but getting high. So why don't you talk to Mr. Mulkey for a little bit, okay?
All right. I'm looking for a chance to do the right thing, and
What does that have to do with me? Huh? What does you looking for a chance to do the right thing have to do with me?
I mean, I'm gonna do the right thing. And I don't know what to really say. I can't really say too much, you know. I don't know.
I don't. You're looking for a chance to do the right thing. I don't know what that means.
To get my life better. To stay clean.
You know what I think you're doing here today? I think you're trying to tell me exactly what you think I want to hear.
No, Your Honor.
Yeah, because that's kind of what you said to that evaluator. What can I do to get me back on the streets as soon as time possible? Anything else you want to say?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Himmeline?
Thank you, Your Honor. Based on the defendant's lengthy juvenile and adult criminal history, as well as his history of drug and alcohol abuse, the state would recommend a sentence of community control sanctions with a referral to NeoCap. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I've reviewed the pre-sentence report, the drug and alcohol evaluation, listened to the defendant, listened to counsel. I've considered all the provisions in 29, 29, 11, 12, and 13. So you want a chance.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you say you want a chance. Does that mean you want something other than a prison sentence? Is that what that means? Is that what you mean by chance?
Just be able to get my life together and go get help.
All right, I'm going to put you on community control for 4 years. You're going to serve 112 days in jail, credit for 56. The last 30 days, you're going to be in the jail treatment program. You're going to complete that program and follow those recommendations. After you finish a jail treatment program, you're going to go into the NeoCap program, complete it, and follow those recommendations. You're going to complete the decision points program through the probation department. After you're done with NeoCap, you're going to go to a sober living facility for at least 6 months and complete that program. You're to have no drugs or alcohol, and you'll be screened to maintain full employment. You're to utilize only one doctor and one dentist and one pharmacy for any prescription medication. You take your medication as prescribed. You're going to sign releases. You're going to get a mental health evaluation. You're going to follow those recommendations. I think his attitude is such that he's probably not going to make it through NeoCap because he doesn't want to be there, because he doesn't really want a chance. He just wants to get out. Do you understand all the terms?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about any of the terms? Find you violated, which I suspect you will, okay, based on your attitude coming into this, then I'll send you to prison for 24 months. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then when you get out, you'll be in the clutches of the adult parole authority for 2 years, and they'll put conditions on you. And if you don't listen to them either, then they'll send you back to prison for up to 9 months for each violation, up to 1/2 of my sentence. And if your violation of post-release control is a new felony, then you could get another additional consecutive prison sentence of 12 months or the time you have left under post-release control, whichever is more. So you want a chance? You got a chance.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah,